If you have been doing shadowing to improve your English, stop. Not forever, but stop and listen to me first, because there is a very good chance you have been doing it wrong. And if you are doing it wrong, you are not just wasting your time, you are actually slowing yourself down. Today, I am going to tell you exactly what most people get wrong about shadowing and what you should do instead to actually get results. First, let me make something clear. Shadowing is one of the best techniques for improving your English speaking. I'm not here to tell you it does not work. It absolutely does, but only when you do it correctly. The problem is that most people learn shadowing from a quick tip online, try it for a few days, feel like nothing is happening, and either give up or keep doing it the wrong way for months. I've seen this so many times, and it breaks my heart because the technique itself is not the problem, the method is. So let me break down the most common mistakes and how to fix each one. Mistake 1. You shadow content that is too difficult. This is the #1 mistake. People find a clip of a fast-talking native speaker, press play, and try to repeat everything they hear in real time. And when they cannot keep up, they feel frustrated and think shadowing does not work for them. But the problem is not your ability. The problem is the content. When you shadow material that is too fast or too advanced, your brain is spending all its energy just trying to catch the words. You have no mental space left to focus on pronunciation, rhythm, or intonation, which are the whole point of shadowing. The fix: choose content where you already understand at least 90% of the words. The language should feel comfortable. The challenge should come from matching the delivery, not from figuring out what is being said. Mistake 2. You shadow without really listening first. A lot of people press play and immediately start repeating, but shadowing is not just about moving your mouth. It is about training your ear first. If you do not understand the rhythm and the emotion behind what the speaker is saying, you are just copying sounds, and copying sounds without meaning does not stick. The fix: always listen to the full clip once before you shadow. Just listen. Pay attention to where the speaker speeds up, where they pause, where their voice goes up or down. Then shadow. You will sound dramatically more natural. Mistake 3. You shadow for too long in one session. More is not always better. A lot of learners think they need to shadow for 30 or 40 minutes straight to see results, so they force themselves through long sessions and end up mentally exhausted or just moving their mouth without paying any attention at all. That kind of shadowing does nothing. The fix: keep your sessions short and focused. 10 to 15 minutes of high-quality, fully attentive shadowing is worth more than an hour of going through the motions. Quality over quantity, every single time. Mistake 4. You never record yourself. This one is uncomfortable, I know. Nobody likes listening to their own voice. But if you're not recording yourself, you are missing the most important feedback tool you have. You might think you sound like the speaker, but when you play it back, you might hear that your rhythm is off, or you're adding extra sounds, or your stress is in the wrong place, and you will never fix what you cannot hear. The fix: record a short shadowing clip at least once or twice a week. You do not have to listen to the whole thing. Just notice 2 or 3 things you want to improve. That small habit will accelerate your progress faster than almost anything else. Mistake 5. You shadow but never use the language in real conversation. Shadowing improves your pronunciation and your flow, but it's a practice tool, not a replacement for actually speaking. Some learners shadow every day for months and still freeze the moment they have to have a real conversation. Why? Because shadowing alone does not train you to think in English, respond in real time, or handle unexpected questions. The fix: use shadowing to build your delivery, but combine it with real output. Talk to yourself, record voice memos in English, find a language partner, leave voice comments online. The goal is to move the language from your practice sessions into your actual life. So what does good shadowing actually look like? You choose content you already understand well. You listen once without repeating, then you shadow short sections, 2 or 3 sentences at a time, matching the speaker's speed, rhythm, and emotion as closely as you can. You record yourself occasionally and compare, and you keep sessions short but focused. That's it. That's the whole method. It's not complicated, but most people skip 1 or 2 of these steps and wonder why they aren't improving. Shadowing works, but it only works when you respect the process. If you have been doing shadowing the wrong way, don't feel bad. Now you know, and now you can fix it. Start your next session with one small change. Pick easier content, listen before you shadow, or just record yourself for the first time. One change is enough to start seeing a difference. That's all for today. If this helped you, share it with someone who is also working on their English. And drop a comment below. Which of these mistakes have you been making? Be honest. I promise you are not alone, and your answer might help someone else reading the comments right now. See you in the next episode.